welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Orina. Suspected accused police head constable Samir Fatte has been suspended and an offence is registered against him for allegedly assaulting a restaurant owner, Viraj Mashelkar. Currently, Mashelkar is undergoing treatment at the hospital.
Viraj Mashelkar, the owner of a fast food outlet in Marsil, was subjected to a merciless thrashing allegedly by a police head constable named Samir Fatte over a trivial matter. The entire brutal assault was captured on the shop's CCTV cameras. The distressing footage reveals 6 individuals, including the accused police head constable, restraining Viraj Mashelkar and repeatedly punching him in the face and head. Sources indicate that this is not the first time Samir Fatte has been involved in such a violent act, as he had previously faced trouble for assaulting an assistant sub-inspector from his own police station. The police department has taken swift action by suspending Samir Fatte, the suspected accused police head constable. An official offence has been registered against him for allegedly assaulting Viraj Mashelkar, Sagun Gawade for Herald TV. The police department has taken swift action by suspending Samir Fatte, the suspected accused police head constable. An official offence has been registered against him for allegedly assaulting Viraj Mashelkar.
The murder investigation of Odisha youth Padmalochan Salima took an unexpected turn when Dr. Madhu Gowde, the head of the Department of Forensic Medicine at South Goa District Hospital, using human intelligence identified the victim through a distinctive toe deformity rather than waiting for DNA results. The deformed toe not only confirmed the victim's identity but also revealed a congenital anomaly crucial to solving the case. Dr. Gowde emphasizes the enduring importance of human intelligence in crime investigation, highlighting the significance of small details in forensic work.
The demise of a 20-year-old youth from Odisha, Padmalochan Salima, while working aboard a fishing trawler has unearthed a compelling narrative of crime and detection. Dr. Madhu Gowde, in a post on social media, sheds light on this gripping case, offering insights into an unusual clue that emerged during investigation. The incident came to light when the victim's body was discovered floating in the sea, leading to an investigation by the coastal police. With the body severely decomposed and the face unrecognizable due to marine scavenging, the traditional identification methods proved challenging. Facing the dilemma of waiting for months for the DNA result, Dr. Gowde took a different approach. He engaged in a conversation with the father of the missing youth, probing for any distinctive features or medical history that could aid in identification. It was then that a seemingly trivial detail emerged. The victim had a blackened second toe as a result of a previous injury from a fallen stone. As Dr. Gowde recounts, the father's astute observation not only confirmed the identity of the deceased but also unearthed a congenital anomaly, a hallux varus, a deformity of the big toe, presence and support. This seemingly minor detail proved a crucial link in the chain of evidence, affirming the victim's identity beyond doubt. In this case, the deceased pointed his deformed big toe towards the crime which took away his life, remarks Dr. Gowde. This time, the deceased spoke to me through his father. Dead do tell tales, said Dr. Gowde. Dr. Gowde emphasizes the enduring value of human intelligence in crime investigation. Today, everyone is technology dependent and in the future, in addition, will be dependent on artificial intelligence. I'm not saying it is wrong, but we cannot easily ignore freely available human intelligence input, he claimed. The autopsy conducted by Dr. Anup Chandran and Dr. Bharata Srikumar further corroborated the suspicions of foul play leading to the arrest of suspects aboard the trawler. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
A 3-year-old girl was discovered wandering alone in Gandhi Market, Margao on Saturday, triggering immediate response from Margao police. Despite efforts by individuals, the child couldn't provide any information about herself. DYSP Santosh Desai revealed that the girl is now at Apnagar and the police have reached out to neighbouring states' police stations to check for any missing persons report. He urged the public to step forward and help identify the toddler.
सध्या आमी सगळी फॉर्मालिटी करून तेका आमी अपना घरांत घाल्ले आसा आनी आमी तेजी हें करपाक तेजी आयडेंटिफाय करपा लागून आमी सगळे गोंयांत तशेंच बाकी स्टेटींत आमी कॉन्टेक्ट केल्लो आसा की कोणाचो मिसींग रिपोर्ट बी जर आसा जाल्यार ताका आमकां कळोवचें आनी मागीर आमी तें तर हेजें डिस्क्रिप्शन आनी तेजें डिस्क्रिप्शन जर तूं एक जाता जाल्यार आमी मागीर तेंचो कोणाक तेंचे आपोवन हाडून जावं तेंचो फोटो बिटो धाडून आयडेंटिफाय करून आनी आमी तेंकां हें करतले. तशेंच दुसरें आमची सगळे लोकांक एक पब्लिकाक हें आसा की कोणीय जर तेजे बद्दल कोणी जर वळखता जावं कितें जर आसा जाल्यार आमकां सांगचें जाल्यार त्या भुरग्यांक आमी त्या कन्सर्न तेंचे आवय बापायक दिवंक शकतले.
Taking swift action, Mapsa municipality confronted the issue of illegal gobi Manchurian stalls at the Bodhgeshwar Jatrotsav fair on Sunday evening. These vendors have operated without the required license permit from the Food and Drugs Administration (FDA), despite multiple warnings, prompting the municipality to take decisive measures.
Mapsa municipality took a bold action against the illegal gobi Manchurian stalls at the Bodhgeshwar Jatrotsav fair on Sunday evening. Despite repeated warnings issued to the stall owners regarding unhygienic food conditions, vendors persisted in selling items like gobi Manchurian, corn chaat, potato crisp, and beverages. The food preparations involved the use of synthetic food coloring, dirty water, unhygienic utensils, and lack of gloves. MMC members had cautioned them to either cease operation or obtain a license permit from the FDA. The municipality's strong action aims to ensure public health and safety at such events.
आम्ही ऑलरेडी त्यांना सांगलेले इतले दीस सगळ्याकडे आम्ही मिलावेच जे बीन सगळे फोन केले त्याप्रमाणे हेंकाय बंद करपाक लायले. हे तरी आसतना हेंच्यांनी आयकोंक ना आमचे 2-3 दीस कंटिन्यू सांगिता काल ते ताका लागून आमी तेजे अनहायजेनिक फूड घेवन आमी तांकां बंद करपाक लायले. अनहायजेनिक फूड ताका लागून ते आयकना ताका लागून आयज ही एक्शन घेवची पडली आमकां.
त्यांच्याकडे म्युन्सिपालिटी कडसून तांकां परमिशन कांयच ना.
परमिशन बी काय ना आणि त्यांच्याकडे फूड अँड ड्रग्साचे लायसन बिसन जाल्ले काय ना.
कांयच ना. फाल्यां सकाळी जर कितें अनहायजेनिक खावन जर कितें जालें जाल्यार एका जिम्मेदार जबाबदार कोण आहा?
आमकां म्युन्सिपालिटी जिम्मेदार नासतली न्हू. म्युन्सिपालिटी जिम्मेदार नासतली. आमी काय ताका जिम्मेदार ना न्हू. आमी तांकां ऑलरेडी तांकां बंद करपाक सांगलें तरी आसतना ते चालू दवरला.
ओके सो तुमी आतां सोबी जितली जात्रेक जितली गोबी मंचुरियन शॉप आहा
ती सगळी बंद करतली.
सगळी बंद करतली. फाल्यां सकाळी जर परत चालू जाली जाल्यार कितें एक्शन म्युन्सिपालिटी
परत एक्शन घेतली. आमी ऑलरेडी तेंचे कितें आतां सीज केला न्हू ऑलरेडी.
सगळी बंद करतले तुमी. ओके
सर तशें तुमी म्हटलें अनहायजिनीक बाकीचे कसले आनी फूड प्रॉडक्ट जे आसात ताचेरय तुमचे कितें
मोस्टली गोबी मंचुरियन कित्या खातीर कितें
तेंची अनहायजेनिक फूड म्हणून ताका आमी पयलीं बाकीच्या सगळ्या कडेन जात्रेन जावं मिलाग्रीक थंयच्यान सगळें बंद आहा न्हू लागून आमी बंद करता.
मिलाग्रीक बीन बंद केल्ले कलर बिलर यूज करता.
Sai Prasad, Faral TV.
Traffic cones are strategically placed along the Mandavi Bridge, with damaged ones haphazardly dumped on the bridge's side. This situation has raised concerns among commuters, particularly two-wheeler riders, as the cones dumped on the side pose a risk of accidents. Commuters question who bears the liability for the potential hazards to motorists. The Invest Goa 2024 summit kicked off on Monday, with government presenting to over 400 delegates a strong pitch that the state is an attractive business destination. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said that it's the right time to come to Goa, invest in Goa and grow with Goa. He further said that one should not look at Goa as just a tourist spot, but rather should look at us as an economic powerhouse waiting to be unleashed.
Goa is not just the beaches and sunshine. It's the cultural tapestry and a thriving community, a haven of peace and harmony. It is where your work flourishes and your family thrives. To the investors, we extend our open arms and firm handshake. Come to Goa, invest Goa, and grow with Goa. Your success, our success. Your journey is our journey. We are your partners with the progress, committed to your every step. To the entrepreneurs, the Goa is your canvas, your landscape. Let your creativity soar, your venture take flight. We will fuel your dreams with support, mentorship, and a platform to reach the world. To the world, look at the Goa not just as a tourist destination, but as an economic powerhouse waiting to be unleashed. We are ready to be your gateway to India. Your bridge to a billion dreams. The Invest Goa Summit is not just an event, it is a promise. A promise of the vibrant future, a shared prosperity, and Goa that shines not just with beauty, but with a boundless potential.
As Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi gears up for an upcoming visit to Goa, a heated debate has erupted over the decision to temporarily close down businesses for a week in the name of security and logistical arrangements. While the government asserts that such measures are essential for the smooth conduct of the visit, critics argue that the move places an undue burden on local businesses already grappling with economic challenges. In this edition of Street Voices, Team Herald spoke to several people to know their opinion whether it is fair to close down businesses for 7 days during the Prime Minister's visit.
आता गोंया इव्हेंट करून आमच्या गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान आपणांचे पयले जे कोण बिझनेसमॅन आहा कोण मार्जिनल लोक आहा तेंचे पळयना. आतां प्रायम मिनिस्टराची विजीट जाता हिंगा आनी त्या विजीटाक आयकोंक येता की 7 दीस ही सगळी बिझनेस एस्टॅब्लिशमेंटां बंद दवरची म्हणून. केल्ल्या कारणाक बाबा पयल्या सद्या कोवीड जाल्ल्या पळय त्या भाजेर सुद्दां लोक बिझनेस ना म्हणून रोडटा पळय लोक भिकेक पावला. इन्स्टॉलमेंटां भरूंक जायना लोकां कडेन आनी हे आतां 7 दीस प्रायम मिनिस्टर येता म्हणून केरला गोंयचे हें करूंक जाय. सेक्युरिटी आहा हेलिकॉप्टर्स आहा हे आहा तेका दोचे तेजे हें करून बिझनेसा बंद करून कितें आहा हे मागता हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आनी हे बिझनेस एस्टॅब्लिशमेंटा कडेन हे ना कोचचे तेंचे बिझनेस आहा पळय ते नॉर्मल चलोवचे आसूं दी तेंकां तेंचे पोट भरोवन दी लोकांक बेश्टे त्रास कोच्चे न्हू. आमी लोक अहोच पडलेले कडेन आहा त्रासान वयल्यान GST CST BST ते आनी तर हितून मागता बिझनेस बंद दवरपाची ना.
आता ऐकले त्या प्रमाणे आमच्या देशाचो प्रधानमंत्री येता म्हूण 7 days हुई सगळे बिझनेस एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट बंद आसतले. सो along the path in which he is traveling. I don't understand. India's economy is already going down on individual level. Per capita income wise, we are totally in a very big mess. And in that, 7 days, weeks, shutdown of the business industry, business people, calm down the bond. I don't understand this. Why? Maybe 1 day or 2 days because of the security as a prime minister, I can understand. But shutting down business for almost a week, it is not very justified. Otherwise, the government should compensate all the people who are in business in this industry or whatever small time businesses. There are people who make their living on daily basis. What do they do? Is the government going to compensate them for 1 week? This type of thing should not be done actually. This is not done for.
जेन्ना PMची रॅली आसता जावं तो मोठ्या संख्येन एक महासभा घेता लोकांक एड्रेस करपा खातीर तेन्ना पयली जी ऑफिशियल गव्हर्मेंट बॉडी जी इंटरफियर जाता ती म्हणजे SPG स्पेशल प्रोटेक्शन ग्रुप जो आसता PMOचो तो. सो तेंचे भितर खूब प्रोटोकॉल्स आसतात गायडलायन्स आसतात आनी एज पर दियर गायडलायन्स एंड प्रोटोकॉल तांकां PM सेफ्टी ही सगळ्यान प्रायोरिटी आसता. सो तेका लागून ते खुबशे सेक्युरिटी चॅक्स आसतात आनी खुबशे भाशेन तेंचे स्नायपर्स आसतात वेगळे वेगळे गजाली आसतात. आतां हितून जाता कितें की एकूच रिक्वेस्ट आहा सरकाराक की जेन्ना PM येता जावं कोण व्हडलो लिडर येता अशी महासभा आसता तेन्ना त्यो सिटी एवॉर्ड करून खंय तरी अशें एक ओपन ग्रावंडाचेर आउट ऑफ द सिटीज दवरुपाक जाय ज्या जाग्याचेर लोकल बिझनसूय एफेक्ट जायना ट्रॅफिकूय एफेक्ट जायना आनी लोकांकूय कांय व्हडलो फरक पडना. जेन्ना मडगांव असल्या गांवांत समज ही सभा जाता मडगांव म्हणजे आमचे स्टेटीचें इकनॉमीक हब ते थंय खुबशे प्रॉब्लम जावंक शकतात आनी इतले दीस बिझनस बंद दवरप हे खुबशा लोकांच्या पोटपाण्याचेर येवपाक शकता. सो आउट ऑफ द सिटी समज आमी गेले एक लोनली ग्रावंड खंय घेतलो जंय प्रोटेक्शनाकूय तांकां प्रॉब्लम ना पुलिसांक त्रास ना ट्रॅफिकांक त्रास ना आनी व्हडलो जागो मेळटा असले खंय एक विलेज सायडीनच्यान खंय समज तेणी घेतलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता खुबशे तांकां इजी पडटलें हितून लोकूय हॅप्पी आसपाक शकता तुगेले स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटूय हॅप्पी आसपाक शकता आनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हॅप्पी आसपाक शकता.
In preparation for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's upcoming rally scheduled for February 6th at the KTC bus stand in Margao, South Goa Collector along with SP South, SP Security, SP Traffic and PM Modi's security personnel conducted an inspection of the venue on Monday. The primary objective of the visit was to ensure the seamless execution of the event and to assess the security arrangements.
PMची मीटिंग 6 तारखेक निश्चित जाल्ली. टायमूय जवळ निश्चित जाल्लो आसा. 2 वरांचेर अशें आमी म्हणलां. ताजी टीम आज ऑफिसांतली ताजी सेक्युरिटी अरेंजमेंट आनी बाकीचे पळोवपा खातीर आज आयिल्ली. तांचे बरोबर एक इन्स्पेक्शनूय आशिल्लें. हांगा तांणी मोरलेस हें सगळें अप्रूव केल्लें आसा. थोडी सजेशन्स केल्लीं आसा. ती PWDक डायरेक्शन दिल्लें आसा तें इम्प्लिमेंट करपा खातीर. बाकीचे मोरलेस हांगाचो प्रोग्राम आसा तो सगळो तांणी सेट केल्लो आसा. व्हडलेशे चेंजीस ना. ते करून आतां 1-2 दिसांनी परत मागीर रिव्यू घेतले आमी येवन कितें कितें केलां कितें ना म्हज्या कोतान मॅक्झिमम क्रावड जातलो अशें म्हजें रिडींग आसा की हांगा आसा म्हणटकीर लागींच्यो सगळ्यो हें आसा पळय तातूंतल्यान मॅक्झिमम क्रावड येतलो म्हणून खंयच प्रॉब्लेम जावपा जायना न्ही. पार्किंग आमी थोडे कडेन पार्किंग सेपरेट करप अशेंय केलां. एकाच जाग्यार पार्किंग मॅस जालें अशें ना. वेगळे अशे प्लॅन तयार केल्या. ते फायनल शेप ताका दिवपाचें काम चालू ना. ही ऑफिशियली गव्हर्मेंटाची मिटींग आसा आनी तातूंत भितर प्रायम मिनिस्टर गव्हर्मेंटाच्यो स्किमी जी आसा पळय ते सगळे सेंटराच्यो सांगतलो. चीफ मिनिस्टर स्टेटीच्यो सांगतलो. प्रायम मिनिस्टर हायलायट करतलो की इम्पॅक्ट कितें जाला सेंटराच्या स्किमीचो लोकांचेर कितलो इम्पॅक्ट जाला लाभार्थी कितले वाडले कितें ताचे संबंदीत तो उलयतलो अशें दिसता. ना इलेक्शनाच्या संदर्भांत तशें ती हाजी पार्टीची मिटींग अशी न्ही. खूब प्रोजेक्ट आहा इनॉग्रेशनाक. आयज पयर सीएमान सांगलें पळय आयज कितलेशे प्रोजेक्ट लायन अप केल्ले आहा ते सगळे वर्च्युअली हाजेरच करपाचे. फाउंडेशन स्टोन आसा.
The food stall occupants at the ongoing Lokotsav festival have been observed dumping mixed waste directly on the riverside, ignoring the designated waste disposable bins provided by the organizers. Despite clear arrangements for waste management and the placement of bins, some food vendors seem to be neglecting their responsibility, raising environmental and sanitation concerns.
Amidst the ongoing festivities at Lokotsav, a growing environmental concern has emerged as food stall occupants have been observed dumping mixed waste directly on the riverside, ignoring the waste disposal arrangements that have been diligently put in place, despite organizers making concerted efforts to ensure a clean and eco-friendly festival experience. Some food stall operators seem to be neglecting their responsibility. The designated waste disposal plan includes strategically placed bins intended for the proper segregation and disposal of waste. Witnesses have reported instances where food waste, packaging materials, and other refuse have been discarded directly onto the riverside, tarnishing the scenic beauty of the area. Upendra Naik for Herald TV.
South Goa Road Safety Committee held a comprehensive meeting along with the Transport Department in Margao discussing various road safety issues concerning consumers on Monday. The committee will observe 29th January to 28th February as Road Safety Month, advocating people on road safety and traffic regulation.
On Monday, South Goa Road Safety Committee held a comprehensive meeting along with the Transport Department discussing various road safety issues concerning consumers. This meeting was chaired by the South Goa Collector at the Collectorate Margao. According to the Transport Department, the department had issued a letter stating that from 15 January to 14 February, Road Safety Month will be observed, but due to the late approval of the legal letter, the Road Safety Month will be observed from 29 January to 28 February.
रोड सेफ्टी कमिटी साउथ गोवाची मीटिंग आतांच काबार जाल्या. थंय डिस्कशन जालें की लास्ट मिनिट्साचे कितें हें आशिल्लें तें एंड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रॉम गोवा कॅन तेमी आतां रोड सेफ्टी मंथ म्हणून म्हणोवपा जाय. वी आर सपोज टू the road safety month has to be observed. We have received, the department has received letters that we have to observe from 15th of January to the 14th of February. But those letters only have arrived on the 10th and 12th of January. So it's not possible to do it, in such a short time. The Department of Transport has reported here that they are doing their job. But as Goa Can, we are going to observe it from today. from 29th of January to the 28th of February. And today's meeting, we have brought up a lot of the issues concerning the consumers. Like the bus stand is sought to be shifted. But no, except for news reports, we have no other clarification of what is actually going on. So just mentioning that this is happening is not good enough. But add in the paper to tell people what is going to happen, how is it going to function, how the tourists are going to be, use the bus services, what is happening with the shuttle services. No clarification is given. But KTCL, who represented today, there was a gentleman who represented, said that the actual site inspection is going on right now. So after that, later on today, they will decide exactly what is happening and then they will let us know. So I said, let us as GoaCan know so that we can put it out to the public as to what is happening with regards to the bus stand. Another issue we took up is, again in the newspapers, Navin Times has reported, I think Zuan put out an article to say that fish vendors in Naveli are sitting out and obstructing the roads. But we as GoaCan have been raising this issue over and over again, that encroachments are taking place, not only fish vendors, it's vegetable vendors or some shops or whatever, and every day that it is increasing. And from what the Directorate of Municipal Administration is saying, that we are writing letters, they are giving compliance that it is removed, there is nothing happening there, but this is not the reality.
Mohit Karangate for RTV.
The 11th Zagor Mahotsav 2024 reached its grand conclusion on Sunday evening at Pali Siridao. The much-anticipated event organized by the Goa Zagor Association in collaboration with the Department of Art and Culture, PATA, showcased an array of talented artists who enthralled the audience with their mesmerizing performances. Watch.
जागराची आयज हांगसर सांगताच आसा कसो रिस्पॉन्स आशिल्लो आनी कितले वांटेकार आशिल्ले.
गोवा जागोर एसोसिएशन हाणें घडोवन हाडिल्ले हे 11व्या जागोर महोत्सवाक लगभग ज्यो संस्था ज्यो आसा ते जागोरी आसा तेंच्यांनी 2 दिसांच्या ह्या कार्यावळी भितर वांटेकार जाल्ले आशिल्ले. आनी तुमी एक नजर मारतात की हो माटो भरून सबंद दोशी बाजूनी एक रसिकजन मोठ्या संख्येन उपस्थित आशिल्ले आनी 2 दीस केन्ना हो जागोर सुरू जालो आनी केन्ना सोंपलो हें रसिकांक कळ्ळें सुद्दां ना. इतली ताकद आनी ही आद्य अशी ही परंपरा आमचे गोंयचे दायज जे आसात, भुमिपुत्राची जी सांस्कृतीक जो मांड जो आसा ते मांड आज कशे तरेचे जागोर प्रस्तुत करता हें आजच्या तिसवाडीच्या आणि एकंदरीत विंगड वाठारांतल्यान सादर केल्ल्या ह्या जागरकारांनी दाखयलेले आसा. हांव इतलेंच म्हणटलो, ही परंपरा जी आसा अशी तिगोवन दवरपा खातीर आजचे मूळ संकल्पना जी आशिल्ली की प्रत्येक जागर एका छता सकयल येवचे, एका माटवान येवचे, ताजी पारंपारिकता जी आसा तुमी पळयतात की मल्लां मातयेची माची, त्याच प्रमाणे सगळें कितें हांगसर उबारलेलें आसा तें निसर्गाक धरून आसा. निसर्गाची पुजा, निसर्गाची सेवा ही अत्यंत ह्या भूमिपुत्रांनी, ह्या जागोरकारांनी आपले ताल, आपले सूर, आपले लय, आपल्या बोलींतल्यान आपलो एक सांस्कृतिक परंपरा व्यक्त करून आज ती एका पिढी कडेन दुसरे पिढी कडेन पावत आसता आमी पळयतात. आणि म्हणूनच आजचो जागोर हो खूप आज रंगत ताका आयली आणि असंख्य जे मान्यवर जे आयिल्ले आशिल्ले त्यांनी मान्यवरांनी सुद्दां ह्या जागराचो मनमुराद असो आस्वाद घेतिल्लो आसा. हांव सातेरी मूळ संस्थानाचे सगळे पदाधिकारी तांचे हांव मनापूर्वक अभिनंदन करता, कारण ज्या तरेन त्यांनी फाटलो 1.5 ते पावणे 2 म्हयने अविरतपणे रात्र दीस काम करून ही सगळी पारंपरिकता सजावट बरोवपा खातीर आणि राखपा खातीर जो कष्ट घेतले ते कष्टाक तोड ना. आणि म्हणूनच त्यांच्या मनापासून कौतुक आणि सगळ्यांचे अभिनंदन. प्लस हे रसिक जन हांगा आयिल्ले आशिल्ले, ज्यांनी आमकां बारीक सारीक आधार केल्लो आसा, कार्याध्यक्ष ह्या नात्यान हांव तेंचे सगळ्यांचे आभार व्यक्त करता. आणि तुमचे सगळे पत्रकार बंधू ज्यांनी ह्या जागोर महोत्सवाची कीर्ती, महान कीर्ती जी आसा ती उंचेवल पावणे व्हरपा खातीर जो हातभार लायिल्लो आसा त्या बद्दल तुमचे सगळ्यांचे पत्रकारांचे हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
Fathoda veterans emerged victorious by defeating Varka veterans 7-6 in a tiebreaker to claim the 4th All Goa Veterans Football Cup organised by Bathora United Kurturi. The thrilling finale was played at the Diva SA ground, Kurturi.
The match saw both teams locked at 2-2 at full time, with the goals from Mario Rubello and Francisco Andrade, the Fathoda veterans, and Jose Fernandez and Luis Fernandez for Varka veterans. The tiebreaker proved decisive as Fathoda veterans showcased their shooting skills to secure the prestigious Bathora United Veterans Cup. The individual accolades were presented, with Jose Fernandez of Varka being honoured as the first scorer of the tournament. Football Mogi received recognition as the best disciplined team, while Vincent Barbosa of Fathoda was named as the best defender. The man of the match title went to Francisco Andrade from Fathoda, showcasing his outstanding performance. Other notable awards include Raju from Varka as the best half and Narayan Mistry from Varka receiving the promising player accolade. Inasir Narona for Herald TV.
Navali Sporting Club secured a victory by defeating San Jose de Aria Sports Club 8-7 in a sudden death shootout in a nail-biting finale at the Rosary Church ground. The intense match ended 1-1 at regular time, with Avalon Gomes and Ashnoy Gomes scoring for their respective teams. In our Konkani Riddles contest, today's presenter is Maisie Fernandez from Zimbabwe. Maisie Fernandez Dorado is the daughter of late Manuel Francisco Xavier Fernandez and SP Fernandez, born in Santa Cruz. She studied at Mary Immaculate Girls High School, Panjim, and thereafter did her higher education at Dempo College of Commerce and Economics, Altino. She is married to Vernon Dorado. Maisie is now settled in Zimbabwe, from where she has shared this parkone. In Zimbabwe, she is co-partnering in running a fast food outlet known as Sizzlers. She is very passionate about sports and especially loves tennis. In addition, she loves to read, travel and garden. She strongly believes in the motto, live life to the fullest. Enjoy this 40-second parkone of the contest, Parkone Kidete Sang from Shikali Bio Crusaders.
नमस्कार गोंयकारा. म्हजें नांव मेझी फर्नांडीस डोराडो आनी हांव गांवांत सांताक्रूजची, पूण आतां आसता झिम्बाब्वे देशांत मुतारे शारांत. हांव ह्या गांवांत आसल्यार म्हाका 21 वर्सां जालीं आनी हांव म्हजे पुराय फॅमिली हांगा म्हजे बरोबर आसा. आयज आफ्रिकाक सावन म्हाका चड कुशालकाय भोगता तुमचे गोंयकारां मुखार दवरपाक हें आयचें म्हजें पारकोणें. हांव हांगा म्हजे पोती सांगाता बिझनस चलयता. चिकाली बायो क्रुसेडर्स हांणी म्हाका हो सहयोग दिलो म्हूण तांकां हांव काळजांत तान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. भोव करून तांचे मेंबर आनी म्हजी इश्टीण बाय अकिला रॉड्रिग्स. आमी गोंयांत थंय जायती पयस आसा, पूण आमचें कालीज आजून गोंयांत आसा. आमकां आमच्या गोंयकारपणाचो जायतो गौरव आसा. चिकाली बायो क्रुसेडर्स हांणी ह्या पारकोणेचें कॉम्पिटिशन घडोवन हाडून कोंकणी भाशेक आनी गोंयच्या दायजाक एक व्हड म्हत्वाचें काम केलां. तांच्या सगळ्या मेंबरांक हांव शाबासकी दितां. बरें काम तांणी केलां. आतां हें म्हाजें पारकोणें. सारकें आयकात आनी तुमची जबाब दिल्ल्या नंबराचेर धाडात. म्हजें पारकोणें अशें: रान घांगर, फूल भांगर, फुलां नांव सुंदर, कितें तें सांग. हांव आनी एकदां रिपीट करता: रान घांगर, फूल भांगर, फुलां नांव सुंदर, कितें तें सांग.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Herald on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.